Hey, what's up, guys? So, today in this video, I'm going to show you top 5 pattern locks you must use to your smartphone. These 5 pattern locks are really great. So, let's see what are those 5 pattern locks. So, I am Shafi. You are watching Chef Technique channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, so moving to the first pattern. So this pattern will be really some cool. So first here I'll give some numbers. So what are these numbers? So guys, so now here you can see we have total 9 dots. So the first dot is number 1 and the second dot is number 2 and the third dot is number 3. So like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now here I'll give numbers for the pattern. So let's start the first pattern. 4, 3, 5, 7, 2, 9, 1, 6. So guys, this is our first pattern. So here you can see this is like a star. So here I will give you a number. So if you want to can by with those numbers you can also keep pattern. So I'll give numbers. So even in the description below I'll give some numbers of these patterns. So this is the first pattern. So guys, so now move to the pattern 2. So this is also like a star. So this pattern also will be like star, but not same pattern, different one. So let's see how this pattern is. So the numbers are 5, 6, 7, 2, 9, 4, 3, 8, 1. So this is pattern number 2. So this is also like a star, but not the before one. So this is totally different from the before one. So this is pattern number 2. So no need to worry, all those numbers will be available in the description. So you can go and you can check it out. So this is pattern number 2. So let's go to pattern number 3. So guys, I move to the pattern number 3. So this pattern will be something different. So this pattern will be like an impossible and different pattern. So the numbers are 3, 4, 9, 2, 5, 7, 6, 1, 8. So guys, so this is pattern number 3. So as I said already, this pattern will be like different. So here you can see this pattern is totally different. So even though this pattern is also a good pattern, so don't worry, numbers will be available in the description below also. So do go and check it out. So guys, I move to the pattern number 4. So this pattern will be like a box. So like 2 boxes will have. So this pattern also will be really a nice pattern. So the numbers are 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 8, 7, 1, 9. So this is pattern number 4. So here you can see we have 2 boxes. So like that, this is pattern number 4. So guys, I move to the last. So guys, I move to the last but not the least pattern is the 5th pattern. So this 5th pattern will be like this 5th pattern is totally unique from all those other patterns. So let's see how the 5th pattern is going to be. So the numbers are 5, 9, 1, 8, 2, 4, 3, 7, 6. So this is pattern number 5. So guys, you may have thinking that these patterns are like you are thinking that these patterns are not good. Means you are thinking that I am just drawing these patterns. No, these are some cool. So these are some cool and interesting, impossible and hardest patterns. So no one can unlock your device. So these patterns will be really cool. So this is the pattern number 5. So these are the 5. So these are the 5 patterns that I showed you in this video. So these 5 patterns are really cool. So don't worry, all the numbers will be in the description below. So you can go and you can check it out even the description. So share this video to everyone. So by sharing this video to everyone, all can know about this 3, all can know about this 5 patterns. So if you want still more patterns, then you can message me, you can comment me in the comment section below, so that I will make the video as much as possible. So share this video to everyone. Without going, don't forget to like the video. So that's it guys in this video. I hope you like that. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video to all. If you have any doubt, then comment me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Jai Hind.